here's the thing with Profit First working for you, you are able to spend less time worrying about cash flow and money and finances and more time enjoying your life and your business. And again, that might seem like a tall order just now if you are kind of stuck in the weeds of everything. If you are someone who has got sleepless nights worrying about cash flow, if you are wondering how on earth to balance that all together, this may seem like a complete and utter pipe dream at this point in time, but it is completely achievable. What I want to say though is it's not something that you implement today and by tomorrow you're dancing and singing in the roses. This is a system that you can get in place today, yes, but you need to stick with it. You need to stick with the process of implementation in order to get the results that you want to get. It's not let's just flick a switch and everything is rosy. We do need to commit to Profit First, and we need to commit to this system and this process so that we can make sure that it is going to work for us, that it's going to be ingrained and embedded in our business. So